Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jonathan here. So today we gotta have a talk. So you could probably already tell by the title of this video what this is gonna be about. But basically, I got ripped off by a YouTuber, and I just don't want to see you guys make the same mistake that I made. And I'll tell you a couple of ways of how you could avoid this as well. So I'm not really in the mood to tell you guys, if you get value out of this video, please like, share, and subscribe, as I usually do. So let's just get right into it. So let's start by first talking about who Meet Kevin is. So Meet Kevin, also known as Meet Kevin Paffrath, is a 29-year-old former real estate broker and real estate investor who became a YouTuber and now currently has 1.7 million subscribers. Is also currently the leading contender to replace Gavin Newsom in the 2021 California recall election. And for the past 4 years, Kevin has spent his time teaching people how to build their wealth through investing in real estates and stocks. And he's done this in two different ways, one for free on YouTube, and secondly through his online courses that he offers. So in mid-2018, I started my journey on learning about personal finance immediately after I graduated college. One of the first YouTubers I started watching was Graham Stephan, and I would religiously watch all of Graham's videos. But every now and then I noticed that after I finished watching Graham's videos or on that little sidebar on YouTube, I would see one of Meet Kevin's videos. And for months I would ignore his videos and never click on them. One day I decided to click on one of his videos. I got so much value from that video that I decided to start binge watching his content as well. So after watching him for about a year or so, I had considered buying his real estate investing course to further grow my knowledge in real estate investing. I was nervous because of the common reputation that comes behind YouTube creators' courses. So I muled over the decision for quite a while, and I eventually decided to buy his course. And I would spend about 2 or 3 hours every day for 2 months straight, reviewing all the material in the course, taking notes on every key point that he made during his course. So once I was done with the course, I decided to go out and buy my first rental property. I was able to find a duplex that was under market value. Then I went ahead and fixed up the duplex and I increased the value of it by almost $40,000, all at the age of 23. And my success from that one course convinced me to buy his property management, personal finance, and YouTube courses as well. And I can say from all these courses, I've learned a ton of different things about real estate investing, about how to manage a rental property, how to build your wealth and manage your personal finances, and also how to start your own YouTube channel. So I would totally recommend his courses. So I think one of the most unique things about Kevin's courses is how he focuses on the psychology of everything that he does, whether it's being a real estate investor, being a property manager, being a YouTuber. For him, he's always very focused about psychology of it. I think that's really important because the thing about making money is that you have to work with people. And understanding psychology and how people think is a very important skill to have when you try and be successful. You want to be able to communicate to people in a way that would make them want to help you. I think that's one of the main points that Kevin likes to make in his courses. And another unique thing about Kevin's courses from other YouTubers that I've seen, they offers a private Discord where you could chat with him. And also he offers live streams as well, which can make it really easy for you to ask him questions. And I thought that was really unique that he does this and he doesn't charge a monthly fee, because a lot of other creators that I've seen that have these kind of meetups where they do live streams, they usually charge you on a monthly basis for it. But Kevin doesn't do that. So for me, I felt like I was getting a lot of value from paying for a course like that. So with the positive, it is also fair to talk about the negatives as well. And it's really difficult for me to find any negatives in his courses. I feel like they're very comprehensive, and they give you a really solid foundation to start pursuing whatever you took a course on, whether that's investing or starting a YouTube channel or whatever. But I will say one of the negatives about his courses is that even though he does offer the Discord and he does offer the live streams, it can still be very difficult for him to answer any questions. But usually there's other people on there that are very knowledgeable as well and have a lot of experience investing in real estate. So those people can usually answer your question just as well as Kevin can. So like I said in the beginning of this video, I'm going to give you some tips on taking online courses. So the first tip that I have is that only buy courses from YouTubers that put out a lot of value in their free videos. If you feel like you watch a video from a YouTuber and you leave with more knowledge than you came in with, that's a pretty good sign that that YouTuber is very knowledgeable about whatever they're talking about. So my second tip, and this one's pretty obvious, but you should only be buying courses and things that you're interested in. Typically with online courses, there's usually no one pushing you or there's no assignments due at a certain time or anything of that nature. It's very important that you're a self-starter and that you're very motivated to learn about the topic. And usually one of the best motivators is interest. So I would tell you that you should only take courses and things that you're interested in learning in. My third piece of advice is always take notes. For me, I like to write down every key point that's made in every lecture of every course I take. This allows me to remember key takeaways from each lecture. And as you can see, in the past 3 years, I've taken a lot of courses. It's been very helpful for me to retain the information that I've learned. So the fourth tip I have, and honestly, I think this is the most important tip, is that you take action immediately. There's so many people they'll spend so much money and time buying a course and going through it, but they'll never execute on the information that they learned in the course. Make sure that not only do you use the information you learned in the course, but they use it quickly and use it often so you retain that knowledge. I already know there's going to be jaded people in the comments saying things like,
"Can you just Google everything?"
And yes, there's probably a good chance that you could just Google all this information. It's probably going to take you a lot of time to find it. And in my opinion, time is way more valuable than money. You can always make more money, you can always store up money, but you can't do any of that with time. So keep that in mind. Also, another thing as well, for you to learn how to talk to people in real estate and how to communicate with people effectively, whether it's tenants or contractors or real estate agents or loan officers or whoever else you need to contact if you're investing in real estate, keep in mind that there's very few people who are putting out content like that, especially from the perspective of a real estate broker. So that alone is already pretty invaluable information. Like I said before, relationships are the most important thing anytime you want to be successful in anything, whether that's money, real estate, life, whatever it may be. It always takes the team around you, not just you, to be successful. So personally, I think Kevin's courses are really awesome. And from all of his courses, I probably easily 100x the money that I spent on buying his courses initially. And the lessons from his courses have made me not only a better investor, but also a better creator, and even in some cases, a better person as well. The decision to buy his course is completely up to you. But for me, if I had to go back in time and buy his courses again, I probably would. And Kevin, if you're watching this, man, good luck on your run to become the 41st governor of California. And I think a candidate like you would do a really good job of running the state. So I'd like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider sharing it to somebody that you know. Also, consider hitting the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It greatly helps out the channel, helps push this video out to as many people as possible. If you enjoy my perspectives and the way I explain things, consider hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. I would like to hear from you. Have you bought any of Kevin's courses? And if so, what do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you guys. Also, follow me on all my social medias. I try to post there every day. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.